Hi, welcome to this tutorial on SUMIF function. The SUMIF function is the function which adds all the numbers in a range of cells based on the criteria which is input in the function. We would be using the same data set which I have created in my previous tutorial using a combination of rand between function and VLOOKUP. If you have not gone through that tutorial and you really want to see how you can create quick data set for practicing various Excel functions, then please click on the link given above. Since we have our data set ready, in this tutorial we will see how we can derive the summary of sales for each salesperson and sales by region using SUMIF function. The SUMIF function takes three key inputs. First is range, wherein you will select the range of cells you want to evaluate. Second is the criteria, which is the condition in the form of a number or expression or text which defines the cell to be added. And last but not the least is the sum range, wherein you will have to define the actual cell range which needs to be added. Now in our case, the range would be this entire table from which we want to derive our values starting from the salesperson's name. I'll freeze the cells so that whenever I drag the formula, it doesn't change. The criteria would be John, which is the name of the salesperson, and the sum range would be the total sales in quantity, since I want to derive the quantity sold by John. I will freeze the cells. Now all I have to do is just drag and drop in order to calculate the total quantity sold by each of the salesperson. We'll apply the same formula to derive the revenue as well. Range would be the entire table. The criteria would be the name of the salesperson, and the range would be total sales in revenue this time, since I want to calculate the revenue. Again, freezing the cells. Here you go. This is how you can derive the total quantity sold and the total revenue generated by each and every salesperson by using a simple SUMIF function. Now we can use the same SUMIF function to derive the total sales number for each and every region. The range would be the entire table starting from the region. I'll freeze the cells. The criteria would be the region north this time, and the sum range would be the total sales quantity, and I'll freeze that column as well. Here you go. And I'll quickly derive the revenue as well. Here you go. And this is how you can derive the quick summary of your data using the SUMIF function. I hope you liked this video. Do share your comments and questions in the comment section below. Also do follow this channel to access more video tutorials on various Excel functions. Thank you.